This 2024 Venture RV SportTrek 333 Vic is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Venture RV is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 10, awning, spare tire kit, slide-out, oven, external shower, water heater, auxiliary battery, self-contained, microwave, skylight, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Venture RV SportTrek 333 Vic is 8,980 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.